Hello everyone and welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to fix when you can't sign in to your Epic Games account. If you're enjoying the content so far, please consider hitting the subscribe and like. Let's dive in. Okay, first things first, go ahead and close the application if it's opened. Then hit Windows R on your keyboard and search for app data and click enter. This will open the app data folder on your Windows. Now click local, scroll down to Epic Games. When you find these two folders, go ahead and delete both of them. Click Shift Delete to permanently delete them. Enter. Now you'll need to repair the Epic Games launcher by going to the search bar and search for Control Panel. It should be right up. Then go to Uninstall a program under Programs right here. And go ahead and search for Epic Games Launcher. Then click on it, left click, and select Repair. It will show you a dialog, press yes, and wait for it to finish. Once you've done this, go ahead and open the Epic Games Launcher and try to sign in again. Hopefully it will work. If it doesn't work, you will need to check the Epic Games status online by going to your browser and literally just type Epic Games status. This is a website that shows you the public status of the Epic Games Launcher and all of the games. If everything is operational, then it's working. If something is not, it will show you and you will know where the problem is. And finally, if all the previous steps didn't work, you will need to head to search and go to add or remove programs and go ahead and search for Epic Games. And when you find it, go ahead and click the three dots and click uninstall. After uninstalling it, you will need to go to the Epic Games official website and download it once again. Hopefully you found this useful. Thank you so much for watching.